Hello friends, welcome in my video classroom. Friends, today I teach null vector, subtraction vector, subtraction vector and two example. So first our question, explain null vector. Otherwise it is called zero vector. Its definition is null vector, a vector obtained by adding two vectors having the same magnitude. Look here, now we have vector A and vector minus A. Both vectors have same magnitude, but both are in opposite direction. And mutually opposite direction is called a null vector. Null vector is represented by O, vector O, other vector 0. Look here. Here addition of vector A, this vector A, and this is a vector A. Here minus sign is indicate this vector A is opposite direction of this vector A. So addition of means vector A plus bracket minus vector A is equal to 0. So null or zero vector has magnitude equal to 0 and has no direction. Therefore, its direction cannot be specified. The multiplying 0 with any vector A is null vector. Friends, here property of null vector are available. First, vector A plus 0 vector. So, answer is vector A. And lambda into 0 vector means 0 vector. Means any value is multiplied with 0 vector. So, answer we get 0 vector. And here vector OA is equal to 0 vector. Suppose here now we name indicates here O and here A. So here O is equal to vector 0, otherwise null vector. Our second question is explain subtraction of vector. Subtraction of vector can be defined in terms of addition of vector. We define the difference of two vector, vector A and vector B, as the sum of two vector, vector A and minus vector B. First of all, we look this figure. Look here, now we have vector A and this is vector B. But this is a minus B vector. Here magnitude of this B and this B both are same, but direction is opposite. So here minus sign is indicate this vector B is opposite direction of this vector B. Okay. Now we take first vector A. Look here, we draw here. This is a vector A. And tail of the vector B minus B is put on head of the vector A. Look here at that point. This is a tail of the vector minus B is put on head of vector A. And now we draw one line. Means resultant vector. Where to where? Tail of the vector A to head of the vector B. It is denoted by R2. Vector R2 is equal to, here we can write down vector A minus vector B. Okay, look here. Here vector A minus B means we can write down mathematically vector A plus in bracket minus vector b, means plus minus minus. So vector A minus vector B, both are same. In figure A, vector B and minus B is represented. In figure B, look here, minus B is added to vector A. By triangle method of vector addition, R2 is a vector A bracket minus vector B. So we can write down R2 is equal to A minus B, vector A minus B. Now we show two example, illustration number 4.1 and exercise example number 4.12. Our question is, rain is falling vertically with a speed of 30 meter per second. A woman rides bicycle with a speed of 10 meter per second in the north to south direction. So what is the direction in which she would hold her umbrella? This is a 4.12. Look here, first of all, this is the direction of the rain, north to south. And this is the direction of the rain. This is a VR is a velocity of rain, and VW is a velocity of woman. But here in this direction is negative, so here we take minus vector V omega. So here OB is same equal to AC. So this is a resultant vector. So from figure we can write down vector VR omega is equal to vector VR plus bracket vector V omega. So now we take mod. So VR omega is equal to, now we take under root right hand side, VR square plus V omega square. Velocity of rain is 30 and velocity of woman is 10. So 30 square means 900 plus 100 means 1000, and its answer is 10 root 2. So friends, now we have value of VR omega is equal to 10 root 10. Angle of resultant velocity with vertical is alpha. Friends, you learn in standard 10 mathematics steps 10 alpha. Here alpha is a opposite side, means AC upon OA. So AC is equal to same as OB. OB is equal to, now we have value 10. And OA is a OA. OA is equal to 30. Velocity of rain. So 1 upon 3 and calculate, you get answer 0.3333. And with the help of natural tangent, we can find out its angle. Alpha is equal to 80 degree 26 minutes. फ्रेंड्स, आपके जो बुक है उसके पीछे लॉग टेबल, एंटी लॉग, नेचुरल टेंजेंट ऐसा टेबल दिया गया हुआ है. उस टेबल में आप 0.3333 कहाँ पे आता है, कौन सी डिग्री पे और कौन सी मिनट पे, ये आपको देखना पड़ेगा. तभी आप इसका आंसर 80 डिग्री एंड 26 मिनट फाइंड कर पाएंगे. ये आपको नेचुरल टेंजेंट में देखना है. ऐसे ही आंसर आ जाता है, ऐसा नहीं है. Next, illustration first. Rain is falling vertically with speed of 35 meter per second. Wind start blowing after some time with a speed of 12 meter per second in east to west direction. In which direction should a boy waiting at a bus stop hold his umbrella? Look here friends, this is north direction, this is south, this is east and this is west. Rain is falling north to south, means in this direction, and wind is blowing east to west, means in this direction. So now here R is a resultant vector. So look here, resultant vector we can write down vector R is equal to vector V omega plus vector VR. So now we want to find its value. So now we take square and root. So R is equal to root V omega square plus VR square. So VW, otherwise omega. VW is a velocity of wind. Its value is 12. And VR is the velocity of rain. Its value is 35. So 12 square is 144 and 35 square is 1225. And its answer is 1369 and its root is 37 meter per second. But now we want to find its angle. So again now we take tan theta is equal to V omega upon VR. So 12 upon 35, its answer is again 0.34285. With the help of the natural tangent, we find out its angle 80 degree and 55 minutes. So similarly we can write down theta is a 90 degree.